Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Pinterest account in 2024. Pinterest is a powerful platform for marketing, engaging pins, running ads, and driving traffic to your blog or website. So let's start. First, open your Google account and type create Pinterest business account. Then this type of dashboard appear in front of you on Google. Click on create account. Then you can enter your email. Once you enter your email, then enter your password and then add date of birth. I can make an fake account for you, so I can add fake information on there and then click on create account. After clicking create account, it takes few seconds, still wait, and then this type of dashboard appear in front of you. Now you can describe what's your business. I click on publisher or media because I publish blogs, and then add your business name, country where you live, and then add website. These information you can add. If you have website, you can add on there. If you don't have, then skip on it. I have website, so I can enter the link of website on there. Now I can click on save and then move forward. What are your business goals? You can add 3 business goals. I can add all of these: traffic, grow business, create content, and my focus on brand is event. And in future I am interested in running ads, so I can click on it. So we can select in these 3 options. First, you can showcase your brand, then claim your website, and then share ideas. So I can click on showcase my brand. So it's a new account, so I can click on showcase. If you have showcased your brand, then you can claim your website. So I can click on next. Now this type of dashboard appear in front of you. Now you can add all of your information related to your account. So I can first change the logo of Pinterest. I can add logo of my website, Event Trend 365. I can add logo on there and then add the name. So I can add information about my website on there, and then add who can write these blogs, and then add website username on my website, and then add email address. When I add all these information I can add, so I can click on save. Once you click on save, you can see this type of dashboard now move on the right corner of my website logo. This will show the profile of my account. Now you can see all information are on there. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorial. See you in the next video.